On Saturday, the girls from Scout Troop 510 delivered dozens of pumpkins that they had collected for our rescued animals. They did an amazing job. They brought so many pumpkins. The girls enjoyed meeting our rescued critters, and the pumpkins were heartily enjoyed. Not so much by the goats, but definitely by everybody else. The kids seemed to have a great time. One told Kelly, "This is the best time I've ever had." They delivered not just pumpkins, but a lot of joy to Rivendell Sanctuary. We hope they remember their new friends and come back to visit again.